and I send you on this leg. But again, because you're right here, so we're going by.
Big shout out to everybody. Sending big shout out to my big at the heart of the stage. Let's go.
Yeah, this one is good. Quadradinho, yeah. Ragadagadagadagandam.
Est-ce que je peux demander pour une petite affaire?
Which one?
On peut faire une petite danse sur la chanson que j'ai aimée.
Yeah.
La Kizomba aussi.
Okay, so you want to do on that one? We can do on that one.
Ouais.
Yeah.
Pour faire différent.
Yeah.
It's a really nice song. I don't know, I was inspired by
Yeah. We can
the
do on
old school
We can do on that one.
vibe. Je sais pas. Mais si tu veux faire deux, ça ne me dérange pas non plus. C'est juste que c'est mal.
No, we can do on that one. It's fine. We change
The vibe. I think the last couple songs we did Tarashinia, which is good because I have to practice the grounding. Huh?
I'm just do what you want.
Ben,
I just do what you want.
non, mais c'était amusant, non? You didn't have a good time on the other song?
Oh, of course.
tudo aqui.
It's the one before.
This one, Garina de Banda.
Yeah.
Garina da Banda. Garina. What's Garina?
Girl.
Ah. Yeah, I think I should learn that, huh? Before I go to Angola.
Yeah.
Well, maybe they're not going to call me Garina because I'm a little